Hello there everyone, my name is Octa Core. For a long time now, I was looking to upgrade from my 4G smartphone to a 5G phone. After a lot of research, I found the best option, the Samsung Galaxy M32 5G. Let me tell you about the features. First off, this phone delivers a truly premium vibe with its sleek and stylish design. One special design feature of this phone is its defense-grade Knox security build, which makes the phone super sturdy and long-lasting. On the performance front, this phone is an all-out winner. It is equipped with the Dimensity 720 Octa Core 2 GHz processor for smooth functioning. Plus, it has 8GB RAM and 128GB internal memory. The dedicated memory card slot can help enhance the internal storage to 1TB. The display of this phone is worth a mention too. Look at the 6.5-inch TFT screen. It has Infinity V-Cut display with an HD Plus resolution of 720 by 1600 pixels. The screen is also protected by Gorilla Glass 5, which is the best in the game. Apart from these amazing features, the phone also boasts quite a versatile camera setup. It has a quad camera setup with a 48-megapixel main camera, an 8-megapixel ultra-wide camera, a 5-megapixel depth camera, and a 2-megapixel macro camera. Along with that, there is also a 13-megapixel front camera for clicking gorgeous selfies. It also has a 5000 mAh battery, which is large enough to last for hours after just one full charge. Having used this phone for the last 2 weeks, I can tell you that this one has some top-of-the-line features and great look as well. Give it a try yourself.